Good morning, guys. So today I'm so excited. I'm on my way to go get my hair done. So I booked an appointment to get a Korean perm. So I'm so excited to start with that. I'm so tired from yesterday. I'll probably stop by somewhere to get some coffee.
생각나는 사람이 누구야 일을 하다가도 길을 걷다가도 이유 없이 떠올려보네 나는 많이 생각해봤는데 아무래도 벌써 빠져버렸나봐 꿈에서까지도 원하는 걸 보면 장난 같은 건 아닌가 봐 좋아하면 원래 다 이렇다던데 너의 한마디 한순간이 소중해서 아껴두고 싶고 나만 보고 싶어서 쓸데없는 질투만 늘어 좋아하면 원래 다 이렇다던데 괜히 한숨만 나왔다 또 네 생각에
Guys, the hair is done. What do we think? I think it's pretty good. It's not a perm though because they told me my hair, because I got like highlights a while ago. So they told me I couldn't do the perm because of that. So I'm sad, but it still looks pretty. And this fountain is so pretty too. Adds to the vibes. Okay, now I have no idea what I want to do. I have to shop though, so I'll go shopping. I need to get like a few things, so I'm gonna try to go find them. Oh, I want to go to a bookstore. I really want to go to a bookstore. I have to find like a bookstore close. So, okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I was walking and I just remembered I'm in Gangnam, which means there's a K-Star Road. And I've never done it, not last year either. So I think I might just go do it now and try to find a place to eat because I'm starting to be really hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna go. And maybe the Hybe like building, a museum thing is open. I don't know, I'll look it up probably while eating though. Yeah, let's go. Purchase thought no action ever. I just bought myself some Vine. Oh my gosh, that's my first time, well, actually second time at like a Korean like high-end place, but the service was so great. The sir was really nice and like he could also talk some English, so that was really nice, and like he helped me for everything, and he gave me like some areas where to go and like made me practice my Korean, so that was really nice of him. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Guys, I still haven't eaten. It's probably like 1 p.m. right now. Oh, so good. 1 p.m. So I have to find somewhere to eat.
the time. It's just like we just like to yes.
like a whole year to the same place. Actually a different scene, but same. And I got myself the Boys album from Fantasy, this one. I didn't get like the newer one because there's only 3 songs in it. So I'd rather have one that has more songs in it. Let's unbox it. Hello guys, it is, what time is it? It's 3:54 and I'm about to head out to a cafe so I can go study. And I found one that's actually pretty cute around like here, like literally 3 minutes away from here. This is my outfit. This is my tote bag I got from Japan, so yeah, let's go now.
This was temporary, didn't I? But you changed my mind like the weather when I saw you wearing my sweatshirt. meant to make plans, take chances, cynic. Love was nothing but a train crash, a fast track to lyrics. Yeah, I guess you gotta make plans to break them. One look at your face and I was down bad, way past inhibition. I can feel your echo through the space that once was hollow, filling every corner of my mind. Told you this was temporary, didn't I? But you changed my mind like the weather.
내건강에 도움이 되는 것은 성형외과 9988. 내건강에 도움되는 것은
침을 깨우는 이 목소리, 머리를 빗는 이 빗소리, 밖에 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리, 전해지는 전생고. 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이, 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래. 조금만 이제는 어디까지 보다 잤지, 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지. 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 봄에 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를 사. 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고, 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네. 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻하. Oh baby I love you, baby I need you. 이렇게 묶어내면 좋은 걸. Oh, I can't leave you.
Okay guys, so I came here with a friend, so she's gonna go order and then come back. It's 7:26 and we can see the sunset. It's so pretty. Got some coffee to help me stay awake and be productive because we're gonna do some homework here. This feels so calm. Feels so peaceful out here. I'm so happy I found this on Instagram actually. So came to check it out. So pretty.
널 왜 자꾸 밖에 나가고 싶어? 좋은 것만 내게 보여주고 싶은 거. 나도 알아 근데 난 이게 더 좋은 걸. 눈치 볼 필요도 없이 너를 만져도 되고, 재밌는 영화도 보고 편해진 연애가 걱정이 된다면 말해. 편한 일상 속에서 행복을 못 찾을 건 부질없는 짓이. Yeah, right now 난 이 보배 같은 너의 눈에 진주를 찾아서 네 바다 속에 헤엄쳐. 여름 날에 넌 자꾸 다그쳐. 이건 절대 게으름 피우는 게 아니라는 거야. 무슨 말을 해도 핑계처럼 들릴 테니까 일단은